Hi everyone, welcome. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to edit filter interaction. I'm also going to talk to you about why it's important to actually edit filter interaction. Let me begin with that. So on this particular dashboard, so when I click on this supervisor, so you can see how it interacts with everything. This is a highlight filter interaction. So it shows the top 5 and the bottom 5 states. Same thing, the same top 5 and bottom 5 states. If I move to this other supervisor, it also shows me the same top 5 and bottom 5 states. So because it's showing in highlight. So this, we can avoid this because this supervisor is not actually in these states. So this supervisor do not cover these states, do not cover all this. So not necessarily all of them. So we will do an edit filter interactions that will bring out just the filter related to the supervisors alone. Right, that's what we are going to do. And I also advise that any chart you do at any point in time, just try and edit filter interactions to filter mode. Don't leave it as highlight. So filter mode is always better. Let me show you how to do that. So let me unclick this chart, click again, and click, yeah. So I select this chart that I want to use to edit the rest of the chart in the dashboard. So I come to Format, Edit Filter Interactions. I click on it. So on the table, it's already featuring the table and the cards. So it's just left for this. On this chart, I change this to, click on it, change it to filter. This highlight, change it to filter. So here I change this to filter as well. So look at it right here. So there are, okay, right here. So let me shift this chart downwards a bit. Then I take it upwards back after changing the filter interactions. Okay. Right. So I click on this again. So I change this to filter, change this to filter. Right. So let me click on them and shift them up back to their positions. Right. So that is it for this particular chart. So I also click on this. So and use it to edit this and this. Okay. So sorry. So I have to shift it down a bit. Let me just leave it downwards for now. So I change this to filter mode, change it to filter mode. Click on this to change it to filter mode. So what else here? I think that is all. So, and also if you don't want this particular chart to filter any of this, you just click on this. This is none, you just offset. So let me try that. So no matter how you change this, so you can see it doesn't impact this chart. Like for example, this chart that is bringing off errors, that is what we should actually off it for. So because it's not interacting properly, so let's unselect this. Okay, you can see it brought up an error just now. So when I off it, so no matter what I do, so when I click on this, click on this, click on this, click on this, nothing happens here. Yeah. So these cards as well, since this is last year, so I also have to off it. So that it won't bring unnecessary errors on your dashboard. So you can see, so nothing happens again. So when you are done, you come to the format and just click on this, so everything goes off. So let me bring these two charts back to their positions. Right. So, okay, just to make sure everything is aligned. Okay, so this is done here. We'll go to the transaction side. So let's see, for this, let's see how it interacts. So it's also interacting in filter mode. So we come here, format, edit filter interactions, filter mode. It's already in filter mode here. So already in filter mode, or yeah, I think that's all we'll need to edit here. let's see the region as well. Let's see this. Okay, I think we need to edit this too. Edit filter interactions, filter mode. Yeah, filter mode right here. Okay, that is done. That is done. So this is, when I select this, it only displays anything for that region in filter mode. Really nice feature. So this is what it means to edit filter interaction in your chart, to change it from highlight mode to filter mode, or to change it from to off the filters just in. So I think there is a place that I can just make this a default for this dashboard. So I will look into that. So I will look for it. I don't want to just spend too much time on this video looking for it. So I'm going to look for it. I'm going to put it on the chat box, on the chat of this video, just for you to see. So instead of having to do it one by one, you just have to go there and it's in the settings or something. I'm going to look for it and put it in the chat box. So that will be all for this lesson. See you in the next lesson.